3, 2, 1.
It's drifting in with a hot tip. We're all doing this mission in crew support. Might be you don't know all your crewmates yet, but let's dive into building together.
Watch out for wormholes and debris. Get back safe. Got that? Great! Come on, let's go!
Okay, so the engineering bay. Let's get mission ready. As the asteroid of probable destruction is zooming closer to spaceport, it's messing with my signal. I'm sending over blueprints for the basic spacecraft I designed for your mission. Your task is to customize my basic design and then ride it into space, okay? Work together and follow my instructions. Let's hope this signal holds.
1, 2, 3, 2, 1, I'm tight. Sector Alpha ahead. Separator swarm up ahead. Everything steady. That's it. Quick, head for the asteroid. Ah, they're taking it apart. Change course, now. Let's get out of here. Whoa! Light speed! Woohoo!
Welcome back! You saved Spaceport!